You guys, I'm at the Dollar Tree and all these flowers here are 15 cents. These ones, the sunflowers, all these, even these boxes back here, even these flower rockets are 15 cents. So don't sleep on these. I scanned them and they came up 15 cents. And as you can see in my basket, I picked up some. I'll show you more when I get in the car. All right, let's continue to shop. You guys, this is what I was talking about to go on my table. They are so adorable. They were $19.99. Now they're on sale for 14. So they're slowly going down. But I was thinking about getting this peach pie. Get that pecan pie. This is adorable. We just have so many. Look at this one. That'd be cute. Have each different dessert on my table would be fabulous. So I'm gonna keep checking. So now they went from $20 to $14.99. All right, guys. So I went into Michael's and you guys saw those candles that were cute, that were like cups of coffee, cups of cocoa, pies, cinnamon rolls, all kinds of stuff. So I can't wait. I'm so excited to see that they went from $19.99, you guys, down to $14.99. So woohoo! I'm so excited. So I'm gonna keep on checking on them and checking on them. And then when they go down to a reasonable price, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to grab up 4 more because I need a total of 4 more with the salt and pepper shaker that I already have on the table. So, woohoo! I'm so excited. Yeah. And then when we went into Michael's, that's where those decorative food was. But then before we went to Michael's, we went into the DT, remember? And child, let me tell you, don't forget to check all their flower stuff, their seeds, the flower bulbs and stuff that they have in there, because nobody has been talking about that. So that's also ringing up like 15 cents. And there was some other stuff in there, but I did not see it. So, and they also have like their gardening pots, you know, the ones that we start our plants and stuff in. They have them in a basket there at this DT, and they've got them in a basket and they're like for 50 cents. So if you guys need some extra pots in order to pot up your new seedlings we're starting for a fall garden, look for that basket, because the lady because she saw the seeds and stuff, I guess, that I was buying. So she just took it upon herself to let me know that they had those little pots over there for 50 cents. So I got 2 of the big ones and I got 2 of the small ones. So woohoo! So just another heads up on that, guys. Well, your girl is heading home because I don't see anything out here else I need to get. So I'm happy with my haul of seeds, and when I get home, I'll show you exactly what seeds I purchased. Okay, you guys, so I am back from the DT, and then aka Dollar Tree. So I was able to pick up some more of these seeds. So I picked up some beans, the Blue Lake stringless pole beans. I got like 4 of those. And then I picked up some more summer squash. Picked up 2 more of those. Then I hit the Swiss chard again. I brought 2 more of those. And I was able to find 1 sugar baby watermelon, 2 of the Jupiter bell peppers, 1 cauliflower, and this one is called Snowball. And then I brought some more lettuce, because you know I got to keep getting the lettuce when I can. I brought some more Paris Island romaine lettuce. And then 2 of the Hale's Best jumbo cantaloupe. Package of this dwarf blue kale. And then I brought 3 of the Genovese basil. Then I was able to get the Bloomdale long-standing spinach. I got 4 of those. And then I brought 2 of the straight 8 cucumber and 1 Market More cucumber. Then I brought some more carrots because you young girls still gonna try to grow these carrots. The scarlet nantis and the red core chantenay. And I brought some of these contender bush beans. Brought 2 of those. And then I brought me a whole bunch of sugar snap peas. And I think I brought 2, 4, 5 of these. 5, because you know I love me some sugar snap peas. And then I got this little Marvel peas. And then this is what I was talking about. These packages like this that usually come in a box along with these flowers like this. These are 15 cents too. So make sure you look for the box that has these in it because they have this over where the floral tape and the foam cubes and stuff are, and the wiring and the fake flowers. It's over in that section. And then I brought some of this Shalila. I'm going to try to grow some of those. And then I got some ranunculus. And I know they only come like with 3, I think, corms in there. And I know you got to soak these. So I'll do those in the springtime. And then I brought some of these anemones. And they're 1, 2, 3. You get 4 of them in there. And that's what they look like. So I brought some of those. And then I brought some more plant labels. And then these are the containers I was talking about where you can get a whole set of these for like 50 cents. So I brought 2 of the small ones and 2 of the big ones. And then I saw these that I've been looking for forever. It's this collagen and biotin jello shots. I've been waiting to try these. If you guys have tried these, let me know what you guys think about them. Because it says it's supposed to be for supporting your skin, bones, and connective tissues. So, child, at my age, I'm trying to keep all my stuff connected. Everything I got on this body, I'm trying to hold it down for sure. So with all these seeds and the seeds that I got from yesterday's haul, for all these seeds that I just showed you, I only paid like $11.10. $11.10. That's not bad for all these seeds and some pots. And that's you got to deduct, you know, this and this. That was like $1.50. So just say maybe like I paid maybe like $8 and something for all this haul. So I think I'm good for my seeds now. I don't think I need anything else. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start some of this spinach. I'm going to take one of these containers that I have on my windowsill. You know, these containers that I got from the DT. I'll put some soil in here and I'm going to put some spinach in here. And I'm going to get them started. And I'm going to let them just grow here on my windowsill. So I can start growing me some spinach. Love me some spinach. And that whole containers, I'm just gonna let it be spinach, and I'll just cut off the spinach as it grows and just let it keep growing and keep growing and keep growing. So that's the only thing I saw at the DT. And then, if, like I said, when I went to Michael's, you saw all those beautiful fake food. I call it the plastic food, but it looks almost so real. And they had like the coffee cups and the cocoa with the whipped cream and the straw and the spoon and the cherry on top. I thought was really cute. So like I said, they were on sale. So I'm just waiting for them to go on sale a little bit more and then your girl gonna jump on them. I'm gonna pounce on them, and hopefully I will have like a Michael's coupon that I can use with that purchase, and that will make it even better. Oh, and if you're a military, they give you also a 10% military discount. So don't slip on that either, because every little bit helps when you're shopping around in Michael's. But Michael's is usually pretty good because most of their stuff is always 40 to 60% off. Always something in there that's got a clearance thing attached to it. So don't sleep on Michael's. Just do like I do. I just go in there. I don't just want to, buy stuff. I just go in there to roam around and see what they have in there, and see what kind of good deals I can find. So I didn't find any great deals, but your girl is looking at that fake food for sure, for sure. So if you guys have seen that in your Michaels, let your girl know. And if it goes down cheaper than mine and I might have just missed it, hit your girl up, let me know, so I can go and check my Michaels and see if my Michaels has that same sale, so I can get that those items that I need for the fall and to make my table look fantastic. So don't forget to let me know which area you guys think that that one salt and pepper shaker looks better, on my dining room table or on my coffee bar. All right, guys, with that being said, your girl is going to get all her other seeds that I got from yesterday, organize them, and if I have some more of the ones that I just purchased today, I'm going to go ahead and just add them to this pile so I can put them in my seed area. So when I get ready to start sowing some more seeds, I won't have to be digging around trying to find a particular seed, because they will be already organized and ready to go. So don't forget to go to your DT, go get your seeds, and they have them for 15 cents. And they're going to be 15 cents until they're all gone. We might even get lucky and they may even lower them to maybe 10 cents. That would be sweet. That might be sweet. So if I see that going on, if these seeds go to 10 cents or lower, much lower than 15 cents, your girl will come back and I'll make another video to let you guys know that the DT has lowered their seeds to a lower price, so y'all can go and get some more. Because, as a gardeners, we can never have enough seeds. I don't know about you guys, but I know I can never have enough seeds. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, go to DT and get your seeds before they're all gone. Because, as gardeners, once we find out there's a good sale, what do? Shoot, we go and try to clean them out. Or we try to get enough for this season and enough for the future seasons. Because we got to keep these rolling, because we need to save as much money as we can and keep them money in our pockets. And keep growing this food for our family and our friends. All right, guys, talk to you later. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. All right, you guys, take care.